We have a 2019 Range Rover Velar. Really nice vehicle. It sustained hail damage. Some minor dents around the body. Some scratches on the bumper. Headlights are intact. There's no frame damage. This fender has a small dent here. Most of the damage can be removed with a paintless dent repair. There's some damage to the panoramic roof. That's really the only downside. Some scratches to the rear bumper. This quarter panel's clean. Got some dents here. Has a salvage title. The vehicle runs and drives. Take a look inside. The windshield is okay. Interior is pretty clean. Take a look at the back seat. Nice and clean. It'll be on the website soon. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button, and we'll keep the posts coming. Thanks.